The place of performing different yoga poses should be comfortable. The time. It is advisable to do yoga poses or yogasanas early in the morning. Before performing yogasanas, your stomach should be empty. Your bowels and your bladder should be evacuated well before you start yoga. While doing yoga, your body muscles should be relaxed and you should have a smile on your face. You should relax your body muscles through a warm-up. Respect your body and know your limits. Don't be in a hurry. Be regular in doing it. Your clothes or yoga wear should be loose and comfortable. Always use yoga mat for performing yoga practice. Always relax and practice Shavasanas after you finish your yoga practice.